Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix sound effects not working on Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Macs have become an important part of our everyday lives as we use them for work, communication, and entertainment. In all of these cases, we need sound. If the sound on your Mac has stopped working, there are several possible explanations and solutions. The first thing to check is that the sound definitely is not working. In this video, I will show you how to fix it. So, first of all, you can just open your system preferences and you can check on the sound, click on sound, and you can just adjust the alert volume like this, and now we can hear the sound effect again. Can hear it, right? And if it's still not work, you can restart or reboot your MacBook and you can try it again if the sound effects working or not. So that is how to fix sound effects not working on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.